Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb liyantahi to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'il amr, commandment. Fi'il amr, commandment. We are going to learn how to instruct others to do something in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb liyantahi to suit the pronouns below? Liyantahi simply means he should finish, and he in Arabic is huwa, being the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb liyantahi to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb liyantahi to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb liyantahi will now become li'antahi, which means I should finish. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb liyantahi to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb liyantahi will now become linantahi, which means we should finish. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb liyantahi to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach lamun and ya'un. So we are going to be left with what we are having on the screen. And there is no way you can read a word in Arabic starting with a letter carrying sukun. So we must do something to make it pronounceable. So what do? We go and borrow alif to make it pronounceable. The question is, what kind of vowel sound are we going to give the borrowed alif? So the vowel sound of the third letter determines the kind of vowel sound we give the borrowed alif. The borrowed alif being your first letter, nunun is your second letter, and ta'un is your third letter. Since ta'un is taking fataha, the opposite of fataha is kasra, then we give the borrowed alif kasra. So the verb liyantahi will now become intahi, which means finish. Asking a second person or commanding a second person to finish from something. Arba, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb liyantahi to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach yaun to the last letter. Remember, once yaun is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that yaun is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb liyantahi will now become intahi, commanding a single female person to finish from doing something. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb liyantahi to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb liyantahi will now become litantahi, which means she should finish. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from third upward. Plurality in Arabic start from third upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb intahi can only be used to command a single male person to finish. So if there are two in number, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb intahi will now become intahiya. Intahiya. Now that alifun, now that intahiya, now that ha'un is taking kasra, we can now retain our lost ya'un. So intahi will now become intahiya. So if there are more than two, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb intahi will now become intahu. commanding a group of male persons to finish. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the wawun, what is it doing there? So the wawun, the alifun, is only telling you that the wawun written before me is not part of the verb. Rather, it is an extra letter. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Then we talk about mu'annath. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object, just like the verb. Intahi can only be used to command a single female person to finish. So if there are two in number, use the same form of the verb intahiya. If there are more than two, so you go and replace yaun in intahi with nunun carrying fataha. Then you give the letter before, you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb intahi will now become intahina, commanding a group of female persons to finish. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. واحد number 1 لينتهي الدرس الساعة 8 صباحا لينتهي الدرس الساعة 8 صباحا لينتهي الدرس the lesson should finish الساعة 8 at 8 o'clock صباحا in the morning. 2 number 2 لتنتهي زينب من التدريس قبل الصلاة لتنتهي زينب Zainab should finish من التدريس from teaching قبل الصلاة before the prayer. 3 number 3 انتهي من كلامك يا أخي انتهي من كلامك finish from your talk يا أخي my brother. 5 number 5 4 number 4 انتهي من قراءتك يا أختي انتهي من قراءتك يا أختي انتهي من قراءتك finish from your reading يا أختي my sister. 5 number 5 انتهي من العمل غدا انتهي من العمل غدا انتهي من العمل. You should both finish from the work غدا by tomorrow. Talking to Khalid and Hashim. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 6 number 6 انتهوا من الاجتماع الآن يا إخوة انتهوا من الاجتماع الآن يا إخوة انتهوا من الاجتماع. You should all finish from the meeting. الآن now الآن now يا إخوة brothers. 7 number 7 انتهينا من الامتحان غدا يا أخوات انتهينا من الامتحان غدا انتهينا من الامتحان. You should all finish from examination غدا by tomorrow يا أخوات sisters. 8 number 8 لأنتهي من الدراسة هذه السنة لأنتهي من الدراسة هذه السنة لأنتهي من الدراسة I should finish from studies هذه السنة this year. لأنتهي من الدراسة I should finish from studies هذه السنة this year. 9 number 9 لننتهي من هذا الموضوع اليوم لننتهي من هذا الموضوع اليوم لننتهي من هذا الموضوع. We should finish from this topic اليوم today. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to click the link below to download any of my books right there at the comment section. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.